In the previous video, we have created a sign-in button and now we are ready to use it. Okay, so here what we want to do is replace this custom raise button with a sign-in button. And to do that, I'm just going to change the name. So sign-in button. The compiler doesn't find this, so I need to remember to import it. And now the compiler tells us the sign-in button doesn't have a child widget, and also it doesn't have a border radius property. So let's fix this. The first thing that we can do is to remove this child property, and instead what we want to do is to type in text, and here we can type sign in with Google. Also, we now specify a text color, and this is going to be colors.black87. And the border radius is something that we had actually defined for our custom raise button, but we have not specified that this is a property of our sign-in button. So this is why the compiler complains. So what we're going to do here is to actually remove this property from here, and if we wanted, we could actually add it over here and maybe hard code it. Instead, what I'm going to suggest is that we open up the custom raised button class and we add a default value for the border radius. So to do that, we add a column here, and then we specify a default value, for example, 2.0. Now, the reason we do this here is that if we ever create a custom raised button and we forget to pass in the border radius, then a sensible value will be used. Okay, so I can save here. I can see that the radius actually has become a little bit smaller. It was 4 previously, now it's 2.0. And just to make things clear, if I want, I can still go to the sign-in button, and in here I can specify a border radius and give it a different value, for example 8 points. So at this stage, if I save, I can see that the new value of 8 points has been used. So let's revert back to 2 and let's get back to the sign-in page and continue.